Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to give you another two possible cover reveals in Shotcut. These two effects follow the same principle of an indistinguishable cover becoming distinct. I have my cover on one track and a background on the other. If I select the cover and add the mosaic filter, I get this effect, a blurred out mosaic. If I add a keyframe to the effect, I can make it go from blurred to clear in about 5 seconds. This is what it looks like. Obviously, you can make it much more mosaicked if you want. If you prefer something a little less blocky, you can do the same thing with the blur box filter. As before, add a keyframe to take it from blurry to not blurry at all. There are other blur filters. You might want to try those out too for slightly different effects. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.